Okay, I'm back again, and we're at the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Orlando, Florida, at the airport. And Selena and me finally got here this morning, and we're gonna show you our room. Hey,
Mr. Lacey.
How you doing?
Come on in. There's a beautiful room here in store for you to check out.
Really?
It is amazing.
Wow.
Go ahead and take the tour.
What's this over here?
Well, this here is your open closet.
Okay.
It's the closet, but it's an open concept. So
Okay.
you have everything that you need.
Okay.
You don't have the door. You've got some beautiful heavy drawers down here.
All right.
Heavy wood.
Mm-hmm.
And they are on a nice track.
Nice.
This is a light switch here.
Okay.
So that I don't see the light coming on, but that's what's
Okay.
supposed to be a light coming on up there.
Right there, yeah.
So
Okay.
then this is another part of the closet.
There you go. That's the
There's
light.
the light.
There's the light right
Okay.
there. Yes.
With the
Iron board. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, very nice.
And this is a
Very
nice,
classy.
spacious room.
Very spacious.
Okay.
Very spacious.
What's this
You got
over
the
here?
extra bedding here with a nice pull down.
Okay.
I love how they keep it in here. It keeps it clean
Okay.
and free from dust, and you can see what's in here. That's
All right.
a little different.
Okay.
The next, of course, you have your in-room safe. where you
Wow.
got
Nice
plenty
looking
of
safe.
room. This safe is bigger than the typical hotel safe, guys. And
Wow. Look at that space.
it has this in it, which I'm not sure. Y'all could write us a note in the comments if you know what this is inside the safe, because we have no clue what that is.
Okay.
And then here's my area. Coffee.
Coffee.
Tea.
Oh my
Yes.
goodness gracious,
2 complimentary
Jesus.
bottles of water.
Yes.
And then you have
Refrigerator.
a nice refrigerator here. Another light switch here for the fridge.
Okay.
Really nice how they have it built in.
Okay.
Very classy.
All right.
And behind you is a full-length mirror that is huge.
Hey guys, it's me.
Double size. Now take them on into the lovely restroom.
Well, what's this right here? This bitch.
This is kind of like your hallway area. If you were at home and you had guests coming in and they could come and look. You can hang things here, guys.
Okay.
That's amazing. Pull
Okay.
them out.
Mm-hmm.
Coats, purses,
Right.
hats,
All right.
tote bags, whatever you
Okay.
got.
Okay.
Real cool. And then just a little sitting area.
Okay.
You know?
All
It's
right.
kind of like a mud room at home. I think that's the word I was trying to find.
And this is the bathroom, right?
That's the bathroom where the toilet lives.
Okay. They call it the water closet, Miss Chief.
Water
Okay.
closet.
Yes. Okay. Here we go. The sink and the tub. Shower. Look at that big water head, man. That is large. Wow, this is a nice bathroom. Alrighty, and as we go in this gigantic room,
This room is gigantic, guys.
we look over here to we have
Have a nice sitting area.
yes, we do.
Yep, with a nice table that you can move around as needed. With a little end table here and everything. The decor is really nice. The style is modern.
Okay.
Nice end tables. And the end tables have power. For your computer or whatever you need to plug in, which is good. Your charger.
Right. Nice bed. What's this?
And then you have your stool for the foot of the bed, which always comes in handy for setting your luggage on it or getting dressed.
Okay.
Things of that nature. And then we have a desk.
You forgot about the bed.
Oh, I mean, they see the bed.
No, you gotta sit. Is it stern? Is it soft? Is it?
I have no idea.
Well, sit on in this seat.
And then I love the light feature on the side of the bed.
Wow.
Adjustable. So
look at that.
I like to read at night. And sometimes you might be asleep.
Right.
And I want to read. So
right.
This is very convenient.
Okay.
I can move it around. Really, really cool feature.
Yes.
And then you have lighting up here.
Wow.
Beautiful. So just imagine that lit up at night. It's
yes.
really, really pretty.
Yes.
And now we have the bed. It is huge. I have to get on my tippy toes to get on the bed.
Okay.
And it's firm.
Firm, nice and firm.
It's
good.
Firm.
Okay. All right.
Nice firm bed.
All right.
You jump down. Ah! Off the bed.
Okay.
Now here is our main.
Oops.
Okay, we're gonna snap that back. It's a snap. But this is the main part that we really want to show you guys.
Okay.
At the airport here. For some reason I can't.
I think Mrs. Chief
said this back is stuck.
has made it stuck. Has stuck the curtains.
Well, that's a bummer. I want this open so I can see.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So our blackout curtain, guys, is stuck in place here. But that's okay. We moved the other side out of the way already for you. You're supposed to use the stick to push it, okay? Or pull it. Okay. So come on out. Come on out.
Oh, balcony.
Welcome.
This is a nice balcony.
To the Orlando Airport. You can see.
Look at this balcony,
You can
first
see
of all. Yeah.
How long this balcony is. It is huge.
Yeah.
I feel protected. We're on the 8th floor, but there's no way you're even going to accidentally fall off.
Right.
You don't even. It's beautiful. The tram that runs from different parts of the airport, you can see the planes taking off and landing. You can see the outdoor pool. Everything is flashy.
This is
family just had food delivered to them at the pool. They're having a great time.
This is so wonderful.
And this is amazing. I think the next time that we do a group cruise and we're sailing out of Orlando, we will certainly get rooms at this hotel. We'll reserve a block of rooms at this hotel, and I know that our group will enjoy it. They will absolutely enjoy
This is so wonderful.
It's absolutely beautiful, guys, as you can see. And the view goes on for miles.
Yes, it does.
This is amazing.
This is lovely.
This is
wonderful.
I feel like we're on a cruise ship already.
Yeah. Yes.
Absolutely. So Mr. Chief gets credit, guys. This was his pick because our flight was coming in so early. He said, why don't we just stay at the airport? And it made a lot of sense. And then on the back end, our flight leaves early, leaving out of Orlando. So we're just going to stay right here at the airport, same room type.
Yeah.
So that when it comes to the morning and we fly out, we don't have to get up super duper early. We're already at the airport.
Right on.
That is amazing.
Yeah.
And we love it.
We love it. So guys, how do you like it? Did you like the room?
Let us know how you like it.
Yeah. Put it in the chat. Do you like this view? Did you like how large the room is and everything in it? Yeah, this is a really nice room. Hyatt is a really nice hotel, really good hotel. Okay guys, so we'll stay here today and we'll go out and we're going to get some breakfast and we'll come back at you at a later time. Probably when we get to the ship, to the port, we'll come back then, let you guys see us in on the ship. Alright guys, Lacey's out.